There's enough weight in this world today. Don't add one more stone to somebody's weight. Enough pointing fingers, enough keeping score, enough wounded people getting wounded some more. You don't know the battles behind someone's grin, the storms they survive and still carry within. Before throwing judgment from high on your hill, remember your words can destroy or rebuild. I see you, I see what nobody knows, the weight that you carry wherever you go. The nights you questioned if you mattered at all, then somehow got up when the morning would call. If chaos is raining and hope's wearing thin, hold on, weary traveler, you're healing within. Better to build than tear somebody down. Better lift up a heart than grind it in the ground. Better encourage and commend than condemn. You don't know how close to the edge they have been. Speak life, speak hope, put some love in the sound. If somebody is falling, don't push them farther down. There's enough heavy stone being carried around. Better to build, help set it down. Healing ain't thunder, most healing is slow. Quiet little choices that nobody knows. Reaction grows thoughtful, boundaries grow strong. You stop chasing people where chaos belongs. You start guarding peace that took years to restore, and learn healthy love shouldn't feel like a war. If peaceful love scares you, don't call yourself weak. Wounds teach the heart what danger to seek. If love wants me chaos, uncertainty, pain, calm, I'd feel foreign when love comes again. Before it ain't false and peace isn't cold. Sometimes healthy feels strange when the wounds are grown old. Your past can explain why some fears still remain, but yesterday doesn't get permanent rain. Your scars aren't your name, your past ain't your prison, your mistakes ain't your destiny. Keep on living, one choice at a time, one peaceful new day. One to act of self-respect, helping fear lose its say. Growth can feel awkward because it is new. You're finally becoming a healthier you. Proverbs says anxious hearts bend with the load, but a good word can lift them and lighten the road. Ephesians says speak what will build those in need. Give grace through your language and love through your deed. Galatians says carry each other's hard weight. Restore with compassion instead of with hate. Tell somebody I see you, keep going, stand tall. Your sinners might catch them before the next fall. Don't wait for perfection before you applaud. We're dust in the making beneath mercy of God. A seed isn't worthless because it ain't a tree today. Small beginning ain't all it will be. Celebrate progress, applaud every mile. Tell weary souls rest here with me for a while. Correct with compassion and lead people with grace. Truth doesn't require putting shame on their face. Better to build, better to bless, better give somebody courage through mess. Condemnation may win you an argument there, but encouragement tells somebody you care. One leaves a bruise and one strengthens a soul. One widens the wound and one helps make it whole. If words leave a mark when the talking is through, leave fingerprints of love on the people near you. And when someone comes who can love you with care, they don't manufacture the worth already there. They won't be your savior or give you your name. They'll recognize value that always remain. Don't measure your worth by who left or betrayed, or somebody's failure to love the right way. Don't call chaos passion, because calm feels strange. Health and love gives you room to keep growing and change. Give yourself grace like you give to a friend. Self-hatred ain't healing, and shame doesn't mend. Love your neighbor as yourself, that includes you too. Humility and self-respect both can be true. The strongest you isn't some faraway soul. They're showing up now with each healthier goal. One day you'll look backward and finally see the person emerging was learning to be free. It didn't begin when somebody came through and finally decided they'd start loving you. It started the moment you chose to believe another person's failure ain't yours to receive. You stop begging chaos to measure we did while we're here. May it count all the burdens we helped disappear. Whose tears did we dry? Whose courage returned? Whose little flame lived because ours beside it burned? Who stood back up because somebody said, your story ain't finished? Keep moving ahead. Better to build, better to bless, better encourage the heart under stress. Speak truth with compassion and mercy, run deep. Wake up the dreams discouragement put to sleep. Speak life today while you still got the breath. Love people alive, don't save flowers for death. And if chaos surrounds you, remember, there's still I see you. Keep going, your story's not